What if the seeds of your dreams could grow into reality? Imagine a sower, scattering seeds across the land. Some seeds fall on the path where birds quickly snatch them away. Others land on rocky ground. They sprout fast but wither just as quickly. Some find themselves among thorns, struggling for light and nutrients. But a precious few, fall on good soil. These seeds, nurtured and cared for, begin to flourish. They grow into strong, beautiful plants, bearing fruit 100-fold. You see, each soil represents a different response to life's challenges. The path is like a closed mind, unreceptive to new ideas. Rocky ground symbolizes shallow enthusiasm without deep commitment. Thorny soil represents a life choked by worries and distractions. But good soil is a heart open to growth and change. It's a mind that perseveres even when faced with obstacles. So, which soil are you cultivating in your life? Remember, with care and perseverance, even the rockiest ground can become fertile. Your potential, like these seeds, is waiting to flourish. What will you do to nurture it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to watch more of our inspirational animations.